Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 65 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman. This is bought by our wonderful folks over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to build this along with me, head over to their website by following the link below in the description. Bink. And you too can be building this iconic vehicle, folks. So let's have a quick shifty through the magazine. This is about the TV show section there. Great Batman comics. Batman Year by Year is now 1995. Superman there looking rather butch, isn't he? Upside down Batman there. There's the Riddler doing his thing. Scarecrow. The sinister Scarecrow. Carrying on with Batman Year by Year with Poison Ivy. And this is the car parts. We got the first part of the floor section, and it's going to be joining with the bulkhead that we built last issue, folks. So you'll need that as well. And then obviously we're fitting the bulkhead there with a couple of CP screws and joining these two together. And this is our final result today. Okay. It gives you a little thing there, protect the small parts. If you fit the bulkhead, be careful not to push the footrest and pedals out of position. So there you go, little tips like that can help you out. So that's the magazine done. So we'll bring in our parts and we'll get this assembled. Right, this is what we've got. This is our floor section that's going to go in on top of the wiring that we've been putting in and the circuit board. So just raises the floor up and gives you a little cavity to feed your wires in. And then from the previous issue, this is the foot pedals that we built last time out. Okay, so we're going to be fitting that into the Batmobile. Okay, that's what we're up to today. We've got a couple of CP screws going on. Let's get them out. Get a little bit of oil on it, like so. And then join that together with that screw there. So let's just line that up a bit better. And then bring the bulkhead in. And fit these together, folks. So let's try and do this where you can see what I'm doing. You've got a couple of pins that will locate. And then we can put the screw in the bottom edge there. Like that. Let's try and pinch that together now. There you go. And then we can pull that nice and tight then. And then do the same the other side there. And again, the temptation not to press them pedals. You've got to be careful with your hands. Especially on this side, because the pedals are right close to where I'm going to be putting this screw in. So just want to make sure I've not knocked anything. Doesn't appear to have. And we're going in there. And then I can pinch just along there, like so. Quite fiddly, but I've now found a place just to rest my fingertip so that I can pull that floor together. Same on that one. Just like that. And that's what you're going to end up with, folks. First stage of the bulkhead. So I just want to line my pedals back up. And that's what we've got. That's then going to go inside the floor of the Batmobile, as I said earlier. It's looking good, isn't it? This gets to be the exciting stage when you're putting all this together. So if you'd like to build this along with me, folks, head over to the website, all the way along there. Pop. Click the description link in the description below. That'll take you straight there, and you can get a nice 1/8 scale Batmobile on your bench, folks. In the meantime, to help me out, if you can just click the little fester in the corner and subscribe to the channel, I'll be immensely grateful. Give the bell a ring whilst you're there and select all. You'll get notified of upcoming content. And also a big thank you for coming in and keeping me company. It really does mean a lot. I look forward to seeing you again. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye.